Let us now understand asexual reproduction, and first we are going to start with a process called as fission. As the name suggests, fission का मतलब क्या होता है? Simply cell division, where particular cell divides to form new organism, or you can say them as new daughter cell. Okay, now into how many parts organism or particular cell divides, depending on this we are having two type of fission. Number one is your binary fission and second one is your multiple fission. If we are talking about binary fission, as the name suggests, binary, where parent organism divides into two equal half. Bi का मतलब होता है दो, two. Okay, so if parent organism divides into two organisms, right, then this is termed as binary fission. And what is multiple fission? If parent organism produces many cells, many organisms you can say, then this is termed as multiple fission. So have a look what I have written. If we are talking about fission, तो उसका मतलब होता है cell division. Okay, okay, if it is sexual reproduction ना, हमने क्या पढ़ा था? इसमें कौन सा डिवीजन होगा? Only and only mitosis, and mitosis is your equational division. So if you are talking about fission, two types I have told you, binary fission and multiple fission. Now if we are talking about binary fission, then what I have written, it is division of organism into two equal halves, and this type of fission is exhibited by our unicellular organisms like bacteria and protozoas. Bacteria and protozoas. प्रोटोजोआ के अंदर कौन ऑर्गेनिजम्स आते हैं? आपने पढ़ा होगा अमीबा, आपने पढ़ा होगा पैरामेशियम, राइट? So this amoeba, this paramecium comes under a category called as protozoa. And yes, we should not forget our malarial parasite. This malarial parasite is Plasmodium, yes or no? This Plasmodium once again comes under a category of protozoa. ठीक है, so वापस से एक बार यहाँ पे organisms जो होते हैं, it divides into two equal half. Example कौन है यहाँ पे? Bacteria and protozoa. Now this binary fission is further divided into three categories, as you can see, depending on plane by which two organisms are produced. Simple binary fission, longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fission. Now if we are talking about your simple binary fission, then this is exhibited by amoeba. ठीक है, amoeba आपने सुना होगा, it's a unicellular organism which belongs to a class called as protozoa. It belongs to protozoa. ठीक है, now if you are talking about this amoeba, then this organism divides into two equal halves along any plane. So such type of fission is called as simple binary fission. As you can see over here, ये amoeba है, ये क्या है? Nucleus. This is nucleus. As you can see over here, ये जो nucleus है, this nucleus elongates. Can you see this? This nucleus is elongating, right? Then nucleus का होगा division. Can you see this? One nucleus here and one nucleus here. And finally, this organism divides to form two daughter organism. तो इसको कहा जाता है simple binary fission. Next is your longitudinal binary fission. As the name suggests, यहाँ पे division हो रहा होगा along longitudinal axis, right? An example for the same is your Euglena. Again, Euglena आपका protozoa है. It is your protozoa. ठीक है, so this is roughly I have drawn the structure of Euglena. As you can see over here, this organism starts to divide this way. It starts to divide this way along longitudinal axis. यहाँ पे मैंने longitudinal axis दिखाई है, लेकिन what is this? This can be in any direction. Simple binary fission में it can be in any direction, whereas this is very specific. Organism divides along longitudinal axis, as you can see over here, to form two daughter organisms. Simple as that. As you can see over here, ये nucleus का होगा extension, this nucleus divides and finally these two organisms separate from each other. तो ये क्या हो गया आपका longitudinal binary fission. Next comes your transverse binary fission, as the name suggests. यहाँ पे division हो रहा होगा along transverse axis, and the example for the same I have plotted is your paramecium. You people have understood paramecium like slipper-like structure. You people have understood, and this are having number of, what is this, cilia. ठीक है, and cilia is your locomotory organ which plays an important role in movement of organism from one place to another place. Okay, so this is your paramecium, and this divides along, can you see this, transverse axis, along transverse axis to form two new organisms. तो ये क्या पढ़ा हमने, binary fission, simple binary fission, longitudinal binary fission and transverse binary fission. Let's move on to multiple fission. If we are talking about multiple fission, then one organism, one parent organism produces many organisms or many daughter cells. Okay, तो ये प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है मल्टीपल फिशन. दिस मल्टीपल फिशन इज एग्जिबिटेड बाय आवर अमीबा एंड प्लाज्मोडियम. व्हाट इज प्लाज्मोडियम ओवर हियर? प्लाज्मोडियम इज योर malarial parasite. Malarial parasite in the sense what? They are responsible for causing malaria. And this parasite, this plasmodium, is present in saliva of mosquito, is present in saliva of female Anopheles mosquito. So when that mosquito bites you, it sucks blood from your body. In turn, it delivers their saliva inside our blood vessel. And if that saliva contains this plasmodium, we suffers from a disease called as malaria. ठीक है, तो एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन ये प्लाज्मोडियम में कैसे होता है? बाय मल्टीपल फिशन. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस ड्यूरिंग अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन? ड्यूरिंग अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन there are certain organisms like your amoeba. Okay, they produces a tough covering surrounding themselves, जिसको कहा जाता है cyst. इसको क्या बोले हम? Cyst. So once again, what is this? This is say for example amoeba है, parent organism है, unfavorable condition में इसने क्या करा? They develops can you see this? A thick wall. This is thick walled covering or a coat, and this coat is called as your cyst. ये क्या बना दिया मैंने? Cyst. तो this red color portion over here represents your cyst, and ये अमीबा का क्या है? Nucleus. Inside cyst, this nucleus divides multiple time. एक के दो, दो के चार, 4 के 8 and so on. This nucleus divides multiple time to form many nuclei, as you can see. So this is many nuclei present in cyst. वापस से एक बार cyst क्या है? It is nothing but coat, a covering, बराबर, surrounding organism. ठीक है? Now this is cyst inside which there will be presence of many nuclei. Now if the condition becomes favorable, the cyst break. Cyst break, and ये जो न्यूक्लियस है इसके सराउंडिंग क्या आ जाता है? साइटोप्लाज्म. कैन यू सी दिस? दिस इज साइटोप्लाज्म which is responsible in formation of daughter cell, which is responsible in formation of daughter cell. तो ये न्यूक्लियस के सराउंडिंग ये क्या आ गया? साइटोप्लाज्म. as you can see this. So I can say that there are many daughter organisms present inside the cyst. During favorable condition, this cyst breaks and many new daughter cells are released. Many new daughter cells are released. So ये process क्या पढ़ी आपने? फिशन का मतलब होता है सिंपल एज दैट सेल डिवीजन. वन एग्जांपल आई हैव प्लॉटेड, दैट इज योर लिशमेनिया. लिशमेनिया divides by binary fission. Leishmania divides by binary fission, and this is responsible for causing a disease called as Kala Azhar. Kala Azhar, which is called as black fever. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Black fever. ठीक है? Again, this Leishmania parasite is transferred through flies, right? And this is mainly responsible for causing fever, weight loss, as well as most important thing, swelling of spleen and liver. This Leishmania infects internal organs like spleen and liver, and they are responsible for causing swelling of the same, right? So ये आपको याद रखना है. This example is there in your NCERT. Leishmania, binary fission, responsible for causing Kala Azhar. And एक word लिखा है whip-like structure. क्या लिखा है? Whip. What is Leishmania? It is whip-like structure. Whip-like structure in the sense कुछ ऐसा, like a lash, or you can say it as your flagella. So this is all about your fission. Thank you.